Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the NHS application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NHS application on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the continue button and then proceed forward, and you will be prompted to log in using your email address. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address box, and then tap on the continue button. Once you tap on continue, you will be asked to enter your account password. Type in your password and then tap on the login button, and you will be logged into your NHS account right away. And now you will be able to manage all of your health concerns through the NHS application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the NHS app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.